Danger, Will Robinson. Danger.
Okay, so I'm using some Oregon Madrone wood here. I'm using some double-sided tape to stick it down. I'll clamp it and then zero up the bit. And now it's time to run the CNC. It's going to take about 45 minutes in total to run this project. We're going to start with the little B bit for all the little details, and then we'll move over to the 1/4" down bit, the Downtown Jenny, to cut out the project. Both of these bits can be found in the Next Wave starter kit from Cadence Manufacturing. I'll use some Wise Bond epoxy to fill in the details with some blue colorant. Once the epoxy is cured, I'll go ahead and sand everything smooth. I'll drill all the holes and add roundovers to every piece. Use some hemp seed oil to finish the pieces and let them cure overnight. Then I will put all the hardware pieces together, first assembling the track legs and then all the arms. And there you go. We've got a lovely little robot toy. I added a hammer for this guy, and he is just fun to play with. He's going to my nephew. Bye-bye.